श्रीमात्रे नमः। शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते। I salute the Supreme who is the light in the lamp that brings auspiciousness, prosperity, good health, abundance of wealth and the destruction of intellect's enemy. The ancient tradition of lighting oil lamps has a special significance. Lamps are lit to bring in auspiciousness, light, and prosperity. Almost every Hindu ritual begins with the lighting of the lamp, an extension of the daily lamp lighting ritual in the morning and evening that one can see in most Hindu households, beginning and ending the day with an invocation of light. The flame thus lit is called Jyoti or Deepam, representing Agni. It refers to not just the physical fire but symbolizes the cosmic force or divine light. Deepam is full of symbolism. It means that if you have faith, you'll see God. The oil is used to light the lamp represents negative human tendencies. The wick of a lamp symbolizes the ego. The flame which always looks up represents spiritual knowledge that evolves towards a higher consciousness. Knowledge drains the oil or innate tendencies as it burns and destroys the wick. The first hymn of Rig Veda is addressed to Agni, the god of fire. After lighting the Deepam, we chant the following shloka. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahma Deepam Jyoti Janardana Deepo me haratu papam Deepam Jyoti Namostute. I salute Brahma, the sustainer of the creation in the form of this light. I salute the Lord, may he destroy afflictions resulting from my omissions and commissions. Wicks that are used for lighting Deepam are cotton wicks. We must light a minimum of 2 wicks in one Deepam, one to represent Atma and other to represent Paramatma. One wick we represent Jivatma, that is the self, and Paramatma, that is the inner self, like the supreme divinity, the supreme power. And what is the significance of each way of lighting a lamp? If our Deepam is Ekamukha Deepam, that is we have 2 wicks into a single wick that will give us a normal benefit. When it is a Dvimukha Deepam, that is two faces. If it is having 2 faces, if we light Deepa with 2 faces and each face having 2 wicks, then it brings harmony and peace in the family and relatives. 3 wicks, the 3 faces, that is Trimukha Deepam, blesses with progeny. 4 faces, that is Chaturmukha Deepam, brings all-round prosperity and sumptuous food. 5 wicks, that is 5 faces, that is Panchamukha Deepam, showers Akhanda Aishwaryam or health. 6 faces Deepam, that is Shanmukha Deepam, blesses with Akhanda Jnanam, that is knowledge. And actually, as per the astrologers and our previous ancestors, it is always advised to either place Ekamukha Deepam, that is a Deepam with single face, and that face should be always centralized, and this Deepam is known as Atma Deepam. Atma Deepam, the Deepam which is having a single face and the face is towards the center, it does not see any direction. It will be the Deepam will be lighting in the center of the lamp. The fire will be lit in the center of the lamp. The wick will be enlightened in the center of the lamp. This is called Atma Deepam. Here we will use 2 wicks. One wick that represents self, that is Jivatma, and the other wick that represents Paramatma, that is supreme power. Generally, when we go to any temple, we light a deepam with ekamukha, only a single face, and we will place the deepam which so that it sees the God. We always make sure the deepam we light in temple sees the God. The face of that deepam sees the God. And when you are lighting a deepam in your home, it is always advisable, if you have a comfortable space if you have a temple unit in your home, it is always advisable to light two lamps, and each lamp again containing two faces, and each face containing 2 wicks. Always when we are lighting a lamp, we have to use 2 wicks in a face. Always we have to use 2 wicks in one face. It is very important, because each time we are lighting a lamp, we should always symbolize that we are going to enlighten our Jivatma by the help of Paramatma, that is divine power. So we have to make sure that we have always 2 wicks made into one and placed for a single face, each face. So when we are lighting Deepa in our home, it is advisable to light two lamps, each with 2 faces, and each face containing 2 wicks. And what is the importance of this is, like, when we are placing 2 lamps, that is like it indicates the owner of the house, and the other lamp indicates the family of the house. So the owner of the house, one lamp we are lighting is for the prosperity of the owner of the house, which means that if the owner of the house is totally, if he is showered by all blessings, then ultimately all his ancestors, his predecessors, all will be blessed. And the other lamp we are lighting for the wellness of family of the house, the family which is staying, all the people who are staying in the house. So this is how we light lamps in our home. And again, in each lamp we are placing two faces. We are lighting 2 lamps, each with 2 faces. Totally we are lighting 4 faces, which represent Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. In order to gain over these 4, we are enlightening the Deepam.